In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to speed up Elevenlabs voices using two methods that actually work. If you've been trying to make those AI-generated voiceovers a bit snappier for your projects, stick around. We'll walk through a straightforward process to enhance your voice modulation experience with Elevenlabs. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by opening your web browser and heading over to Elevenlabs' official website. This platform offers a nifty free text-to-speech and AI voice generator that's quite popular among content creators and developers alike. Once you're there, the next step is to sign in to your account. Look for the Sign In button prominently displayed on the website's interface. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one, which is a fairly simple process. Signing in will give you access to all of Elevenlabs' features. Once logged in, make your way to the Elevenlabs home. This is your dashboard where you'll be able to manage all your text-to-speech needs. From here, look for the section labeled Text-to-Speech and click on it. This will take you to a library of voice options, which is really the heart of our task today. In this section, identify the voice you want to work with. It's fascinating to see the variety of AI voices available here. After selecting your preferred voice, you'll see the option to generate the voice content. Click on this button. This action kicks off the process of synthesizing your text into the selected AI voice. Here comes the critical part that addresses the speed control. Once your voice is generated, there should be playback options available. Search for the playback speed controls. They're usually evident and simply laid out. You'll often find options like normal, fast, or slow. Adjust these settings according to your preference. If you want to speed things up, choose the fast option. It's incredible how just a small tweak can change the feel of an entire voiceover. And that's it. By following these steps, you can easily adjust the speed of AI-generated voices on Elevenlabs. It's a powerful tool that can really elevate the quality of your digital creations. Experiment with different speeds to find what best suits your needs. Remember, a well-paced voiceover can be the key to engaging your audience more effectively. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more useful tech tutorials. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to reach out in the comments. We're here to help you every step of the way with your voiceover projects. Until next time, happy creating!